a candy cane makeup look. So I've got my Christmas earrings on. And yeah, let's get into it. So my idea for this makeup look is to do like a candy cane coming down my eyebrow. I don't know how it's going to look, but we're just going to test it out. I've got all of these. This. Red lipstick, because that's mostly what candy canes are. Blusher. My shaping brow thing. And this lipstick. I may regret using white glitter lipstick over red, but I'm going to find a way to like clean it afterwards. Then I've got this. Mascara. Eye primer. Highlighter. And the final bit and the main bit is this palette. So let's get to it. I'm going to do the three main things. First is face primer and my eyebrows and blusher. So let's start with primer. I need to get more of this. That's now run out, so I definitely need to get more of that. I've got all this. So now I'm all primed up, pretty much. Gonna go in with the eyebrows. Now the blusher, I always use this brush. Now the highlight, this one looks like this. And again, I always use this brush. Just want to point out, I have had I don't know what video it was on, but I've had a comment saying about these tile brushes, but well, this one. But I've used these and I just put way too much highlight on. I know you can get tinier ones, but I haven't seen one for quite some time. So I might try the littler ones. I don't know if that makes sense, but pretty much the little version of this one, I don't know. But for now, I've got this. So that's the highlight. It seems really bright, but we're going for a really glittery, light white glitter and red look. So let's get on to the eyeshadow. This should be interesting. So for this eye, for the actual eyes, I'm going to just do a nice brown look, because I'm going to have that big candy cane. Well, I'm going to try and do it, and then candy cane kind of lips. So we don't want too much red. So the three brushes I use are these ones. I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to just go into time lapse of doing this so it's more easier. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow. Just a simple eyeshadow. It's more reddy brown, but I've just put it on like very subtle.
Really tapped, like put the brush full on in, just tapped it in and then took it out.
That may not make sense, but yeah. Now onto the candy cane. So that's the best I can do. I know it's not great, it's like small and big, but we're gonna go with it. It's not the best, but oh well. So I'm gonna fast forward again and do the little red and white stuff. So that is the candy cane. Now I'm gonna like put some glitter on my lid. So we need to use primer. This is another one that I'm running out of. I need to get more. I really recommend this. So that is the primer on. I'm going to quickly touch up my red. It wasn't red, what I'm on about. So that's it touched up. Now onto the glitter. I'm just going to use my fingers. This is the one I'm using. I'm going to use this brush to just like blend it in. So mind the noise of the background, hopefully you can't hear it that well. But these are the eyes. Now I just need to put my mascara on and then we'll get to the lips. Now onto the lips. So this is the final makeup look. I'm quite impressed with it. I know the candy cane isn't as great as I would want it to be, but I quite like it. It's definitely not a going out makeup look. It's just a bit of fun, and if you were going to a Christmas party, you could probably dress up as a candy cane and do your makeup like this. Probably better than this, but I am in love with it. About the red lip and the candy cane, I think you could actually wear this makeup look out if you're confident enough to, because it is kind of natural, kind of, not really, but like it's not too out there. But let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like if you did and comment down below because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're new here, hit subscribe for more weird makeup looks like this and fashion and lifestyle and everything like that. Bye!